Hi guys, welcome, and I'm doing this video of this thing called Shopkins, and this is one of the play sticks that you get, and it's the ice cream truck, and it has lots of ice cream. Just turn it around. When you get it, it looks like this, and the top can move. Turn around. This can open. And then here is a spot here where they can sell ice cream. They sell ice cream on the side, and then you can get someone like one of your Shopkins to drive it all around. And I've got a few Shopkins and stuff here. And then inside, it's got a little thing where you can put your ice cream supply, so a little sink, and then a step there, and a little area where you can put a Shopkin there. And Shopkins are these little things. They're like little food and things like sesame. This is gingerbread. I only know some of the names. And like, there's different series, so I think this is series 2, this is series 3, but I don't have any season 2, I don't have any season 1, so this is what the little shopping bags look like in season 2, and this is what the little shopping bags look like in season 3, and some of them are purple, and what comes with the set? It's 2 little things to put your Shopkins in them and closed on. And yeah, they're like little fun toys to play with and stuff. And like they come in all different kinds, like watermelons, donuts, diaries, and all that cool stuff. And I like the ice cream truck, but I do have a vending machine. It's really cool, but like, I like the lid, but I can't find it, so we might be able to do a video about it. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It rolls around on the wheels, takes no batteries. And yeah, they have on the steering wheel it can sort of move, but it's really hard to move. But like, it's got an S on it for Shopkins, and at the front it even has Shopkins. On the wheels it has Shopkins, so it's very detailed. Yeah, and on the thing it has details as well. And then like, it has little things on the side here, like sun, like ice cream, and all that kind of stuff. And it does roll around by itself, but like, yeah. So, yeah, that's my little video about Shopkins. Bye guys!